Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, and we're here with another video. So we're here on Molynes Road, and what we're taking a look on today is the Fosrich Industrial Complex that's been built in front of the existing Fosrich building. It's a big investment for them. It's a big project as well, so stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, guys. Subscribing is free, and it's the easiest and cheapest way to support the channel. We're almost at 20,000 subs, so you guys can do it. Let's go. Alright, so the project is right over here. It's beside Our Ladies of the Angels Prep. It's in front of the existing Fosrich building, which is this blue and yellow building. It's beside the Birds on Molynes Road. So that's the location. I'll put the link for the previous video in the comments. On that video you'll be able to see the billboard as well, so you will see what the project looks like before it's completed. I know I was out for probably a week or two. The videos did decrease. I was off the island, plus I'm having some technical and equipment issues which I'm working through. The quality of these videos may become less because my main recording tool, which is my phone, because my phone records better. Phones record better than even digital camera now, so it records better than my digital camera. So I was using my S21 Ultra for recording, doing intros, that sort of stuff, but just not turning on. So I'm gonna need a new phone. So I'm thinking about the S23 Ultra 5G. That recording quality is very good, better than most digital camera. It's gonna be everywhere because it's a phone, so you know you always have something to record anything while you're on the go. It's a bit pricey, so I'm gonna have to work on. But I know you guys full of links, and you guys know people, so if any of you guys have any great deal or have any links on the S23, just let me know. So that's just a quick update why the videos slow down a bit. The drone quality will not change though, because it's a different camera obviously for the drone than the camera that does the ground footage. So drone quality wouldn't increase. So this is a drone video, so you guys can definitely stay tuned for the drone shots. You'll be able to see aerial views of the area, and then based on where I'm at, behind me down the road is a development by Itel. That's a call center. So they have two big call center building down there. The second one just finished, so I'll give you guys an update on that as well. Down there is also the Sportsmax broadcasting studio headquarters, so you guys will see some satellite and stuff like that. Alright, so with that in mind, I'm gonna give you guys some drone shots, some drone views, so stay tuned. I'm gonna set up the drone, won't take up any more of your time, so we can enjoy some aerial views of this development. As usual, remember to subscribe, remember to like, remember to comment, remember to share, and I really appreciate you guys. So drone shots.